Look, behold the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter technology and all of its weapons. The Boeing McDonnell Douglas, formerly Hughes, AH-64A Apache is the Army's primary attack helicopter. It is a quick-reacting airborne weapons system that can fight close and deep to destroy, disrupt or delay enemy forces. The Apache is designed to fight and survive during the day, night, and in adverse weather throughout the world. The principal mission of the Apache is the destruction of high-value targets with the Hellfire missile. It is also capable of employing a 30mm M230 chain gun and Hydra 70 2.75-inch rockets that are lethal against a wide variety of targets. The Apache has a full range of aircraft survivability equipment and has the ability to withstand hits. The AH-64 Apache is a twin-engine, four-bladed, multi-mission attack helicopter designed as a highly stable aerial weapons delivery platform. It is designed to fight and survive during the day, night, and in adverse weather throughout the world. With a tandem-seated crew consisting of the pilot located in the rear cockpit position and the co-pilot gunner, the CPG, located in the front position. The Apache is self-deployable, highly survivable, and delivers a lethal array of battlefield armaments. The Apache features a Target Acquisition Designation Site (TADS) and a Pilot Night Version Sensor (PNVS), which enables the crew to navigate and conduct precision attacks in day, night, and adverse weather conditions. The Apache can carry up to 16 Hellfire laser-designated missiles. With a range of over 8,000 meters, the Hellfire is primarily for the destruction of tanks, armored vehicles, and other hard material targets. The Apache can also deliver 76 2.75 inches folding fin aerial rockets for the use against enemy personnel, light armor vehicles, and soft-skin targets. Rounding out the Apache's deadly punches are 1,200 rounds of ammunition for the Area Weapon System AWS 30mm automatic gun. Powered by two General Electric gas turbine engines rated at 1,890 shaft horsepower each, the Apache maximum gross weight is 17,650 pounds, which allows it for a cruise airspeed of 145 miles per hour and a flight endurance of over 3 hours. The AH-64 can be configured with an external 230-gallon fuel tank to extend its range on attack missions, or it can be configured with up to 4 230-gallon fuel tanks for ferrying self-deployment missions. The combat radius of the AH-64 is approximately 150 kilometers. The combat radius with one external 230-gallon fuel tank installed is approximately 300 kilometers. Radii are temperature, PA, fuel burn rate, and airspeed dependent. The AH-64 is an air transportable in the C5, C141, and C17. An onboard video recorder has the capability of recording up to 72 minutes of either the pilot or CPG selected video. It is an invaluable tool for damage assessment and reconnaissance. The Apache's navigation equipment consists of a Doppler navigation system, and most aircraft are equipped with a GPS receiver. The Apache has state-of-the-art optics that provide the capability to select from 3 different target acquisition sensors. These sensors are Day TV, views images during day and low light levels, black and white. TADS FLIR, views thermal images, real world and magnified during day, night and adverse weather. DVO, views real-world, full-color and magnified images during daylight and dusk conditions. AH-64D Longbow. The AH-64D Longbow Apache is a remanufactured and upgraded version of the AH-64A Apache attack helicopter. The primary modifications to the Apache are the addition of a millimeter wave fire control radar (FCR) target acquisition system, the Fire and Forgot Longbow Hellfire air-to-ground missile, updated T-700GE-701C engines, and a fully integrated cockpit. In addition, the aircraft receives improved survivability, communications, and navigation capabilities. Most existing capabilities of the AH-64A Apache are retained. With the addition of the new highly sophisticated fire control radar (FCR), more commonly called the Longbow Fire Control Radar, the AH-64D has become the most advanced aerial fighting vehicle in the world. The FCR provides the Apache with availability to detect, classify, and prioritize stationary and moving targets both on ground and in the air. With state-of-the-art control, digital communications, automatic target classification, and many other up-to-date features, the AH-64D Longbow Apache will dominate the battlefield for years to come. The AH-64D Apache Longbow increases combat effectiveness over the AH-64A by providing a more flexible digital electronics architecture and integrating computer-based onboard built-in test equipment (BITE), automatic test equipment (ATE), and a hard copy operator of Interactive Electronic Technical Manual, the IETM, troubleshooting or maintenance manuals that will easily accommodate changes resulting from system growth. In addition, upgrades to electrical power and cooling systems and the expansions of the forward avionics bays to accommodate the installation of the FCR and provide for growth. Navigation system accuracy is improved though integration of a minimized integrated Embedded Global Positioning System (GPS), Inertial Navigation Unit (INU), EGI, an improved Doppler Velocity Rate Sensor (DVRS). The fully integrated AH-64D without Longbow mission kit incorporates greater ordnance capability and flexibility than the AH-64A by utilizing the family of semi-active laser (SAL) missiles, including the Hellfire 2 and Longbow Hellfire RF missiles. The AH-64D without Longbow mission kit can operate in harmony with the FCR-equipped AH-64D and can accept a target handover and fire the Longbow missiles with minimum exposure to hostile forces. The future Apache. The Apache continues to evolve in the 21st century. The latest AH-64E Guardian model boasts operated engineers, remote drone control capabilities and a sensor design to highlight muzzle flashes on the battlefield below. The Army has also experimentally deployed Apaches on US Navy ships, and had them practice the anti-ship missions, and even tested a laser-armed Apache. Following the retirement of AH-58 Kiowa Scout helicopters, AH-64Es have been pressed into reconnaissance units, controversially sourced at the expense of the National Guard unit. However, the heavy attack helicopters have not proven a great fit for scouting role, so a dedicated scout helicopter is sought to replace them. As short-range air defense systems grow increasingly deadly and attack helicopters more costly, the survivability of even the Apache on the 21st century battlefield remains open to question. However, the attack helicopter's ability to ferret out of battlefield targets and hammer them with precision missiles remains highly valued. Therefore, the Army plans to keep flying Apaches into the 2040s, by which time a new generation of future vertical lift choppers may eventually assume their mantle.